Welcome to the initial section of our asbestos awareness course, where we lay the foundations for understanding the essentials of safe asbestos handling practices. Asbestos awareness is paramount in the UK due to the potential health risks associated with exposure to asbestos fibres. This module serves as a fundamental introduction to the key principles of asbestos awareness, emphasizing the importance of identifying asbestos-containing materials and adopting safe handling practices to prevent exposure. Whether you're involved in construction, renovation, maintenance, or any field where asbestos may be present, mastering the principles outlined in this course will significantly contribute to personal safety and the creation of a healthy work environment. Asbestos, a mineral prized for its robust fibrous composition and resilience to heat, electricity, and chemicals, encompasses three primary fiber types: crocidolite, amosite, and chrysotile. Crocidolite stands out for its exceptional strength, amosite for its unique characteristics, and chrysotile as the most prevalent and versatile. Understanding the distinctions among these asbestos types is crucial for navigating their applications and potential health implications. Asbestos gained popularity in construction due to its exceptional fire-resistant properties. Its ability to withstand high temperatures without igniting made it a preferred material for insulating buildings against fire hazards. This property was particularly crucial in various construction applications where fire safety was a significant concern, such as insulation, roofing, and fireproofing. The peak period of asbestos use in construction occurred during the mid-20th century, particularly from the 1950s to the 1980s. During this time, asbestos was widely incorporated into various construction materials and products due to its desirable properties and widespread availability. Over time, asbestos earned acclaim for its exceptional durability and adaptability, making it a prominent choice in industries such as construction and shipbuilding. Its widespread use during the industrial age is evident, illustrating its integral role in various applications. This historical significance underscores asbestos's substantial contribution to shaping the industrial landscape. Asbestos was commonly used in the construction industry for decades due to its desirable properties such as strength, durability, and fire resistance. It was incorporated into various construction materials like insulation, roofing, flooring, and cement products to enhance their performance and longevity. One of the primary reasons for including asbestos in construction materials was to improve their durability. Asbestos fibers added strength and resilience to products like cement, insulation, and roofing materials, making them more resistant to wear. Minimizing asbestos exposure during construction activities involves using appropriate protective equipment such as respirators, coveralls, and gloves. Additionally, following safe work practices, such as wetting asbestos-containing materials to prevent fiber release and properly disposing of waste, is essential for reducing the risk of exposure to airborne fibers. Asbestos-related illnesses, such as lung cancer and mesothelioma, are often devastating and have profound impacts on individuals, families, and communities. These diseases can result from even minimal exposure to asbestos fibers, emphasizing the importance of proactive measures to prevent exposure and protect public health. Heightened awareness is crucial for ensuring that individuals, particularly those working in industries where asbestos may be present, understand the risks associated with exposure. By educating workers, employers, and the general public about the dangers of asbestos and promoting safe handling practices, we can reduce the incidence of asbestos-related diseases and safeguard public health. Furthermore, regulatory measures and stringent safety protocols are essential for effectively managing asbestos-containing materials and minimizing exposure risks. This includes proper monitoring, handling, and disposal procedures to prevent the release of asbestos fibers into the environment. Being informed about the vital effects of asbestos is paramount, especially in the UK, where the risks associated with asbestos exposure have significant implications for public health and workplace safety. Mishandling this mineral can result in severe health consequences, including lung cancer and respiratory disorders. The 2023 HSE report highlights the grave impact of asbestos in Great Britain. Over 5,000 annual deaths from asbestos-related diseases, including 2,268 mesothelioma deaths and 537 asbestosis cases in 2021. Additionally, asbestos contributes to about 2,500 lung cancer deaths yearly. Understanding the intricacies of asbestos is not merely an academic pursuit, but a practical necessity for ensuring workplace safety. Armed with this knowledge, individuals and organizations can implement safe handling procedures, thus minimizing the risks associated with asbestos exposure. This is particularly crucial given that asbestos was extensively used in construction materials until its ban in the UK in 1999. Consequently, asbestos-containing materials are still present in numerous buildings across the country, posing ongoing risks to workers and occupants. Before the health risks of asbestos became widely recognized, there was a common misconception that asbestos was a harmless material. Its fire-resistant properties and versatility led many to believe it was a safe and effective solution for various construction and industrial applications. However, as research emerged linking asbestos exposure to serious health problems, this misconception was dispelled. The presence of asbestos in current items is a direct result of its widespread use in the past, particularly before the recognition of its health hazards and subsequent regulatory measures. Despite updated regulations aimed at restricting its use, asbestos can still be found in various products and materials today. This is because asbestos-containing materials installed or manufactured before regulations came into effect may still be in use, and certain industries continue to use asbestos or import products containing asbestos from countries with less stringent regulations. Some of the common items where asbestos may still be found include certain construction materials like insulation, roofing materials, and floor tiles. Additionally, auto parts, such as brake pads and clutch components, have historically contained asbestos due to its heat-resistant properties. Even everyday products like talcum powder and potting soil have been found to contain asbestos due to contamination during the mining process. When asbestos-containing materials are disturbed, they release microscopic fibers into the air. These fibers, when inhaled, can penetrate deep into the lungs and cause serious health issues over time, including lung cancer, mesothelioma, and asbestosis. Proper precautions must be taken during any activities that might disturb asbestos to minimize the risk of exposure to these harmful fibers. Understanding the key characteristics of asbestos is crucial for comprehending its extensive historical usage across industries. Asbestos possesses unique properties that made it highly desirable, including exceptional insulation, heat resistance, and durability. These qualities made asbestos an attractive choice for a wide range of applications, from construction to manufacturing. This comprehensive infographic serves as a concise summary of the various illnesses associated with asbestos use, including conditions such as asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. A clear understanding of these health risks is vital to foster a culture of safety, emphasizing the critical importance of awareness and preventive measures in environments where asbestos exposure is a potential concern. A lucid comprehension of these health risks is essential in nurturing a culture of safety. The figures and facts presented in this infographic serve as a stark reminder of the urgent need for heightened awareness and proactive preventive measures, especially in environments where the potential for asbestos exposure looms large. By highlighting the grave consequences of asbestos-related diseases, this infographic underscores the imperative for stringent safety protocols, comprehensive training, and ongoing vigilance to protect individuals from the harmful effects of asbestos exposure. As we wrap up our introduction, it's crucial to emphasize the pivotal role of awareness training. Education serves as the cornerstone of safety, whether you're an individual from the general public or a professional working in high-risk environments. You will now be given a set of questions to test out your knowledge on the subjects discussed during this element. You must answer correctly to move on to the next section of this course. Good luck.